Good afternoon and a warm welcome to the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. This quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology and supported by the College of Science and the College of Engineering. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to you. The 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by the KNUST e-Learning Center. For all our media and video coverages, we are grateful. The Institute of Distance Learning KNUST, thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. The venues you provide to support the quiz are well appreciated. DEX Technologies. At DEX Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality, and you always make it very exciting and hands-on. The Ghana Grid Company Limited, providing reliable electricity grid for development. The MTN Stakeholders Management, everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited, good food, good life. And to our media partner, Kesben TV, thank you for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcast and commitment to quality has significantly amplified our reach and impact. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate the heads of the various schools competing in this afternoon's contest, not forgetting our teachers who have spent time and put in the effort to prepare our candidates and our contestants for this contest. Also to you, our gallant students who have spent hours burning the midnight oil and getting your names registered for the contest. And finally, to our jubilant supporters who are here to support us and to cheer us on, pushing us over the finish line. Let's give ourselves a big round of applause. And so my name is Prince Amponsa Kwabi. I'm the lecturer with the Department of Mathematics here at KNUST, and I'll be your quiz moderator for this contest. Remember, the Jsmq program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlying the life and physical sciences. It is expected to make science and mathematics friendly and promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages in life. Competing in this contest, we have Ahinima Kokobing MEGHS, Ultimate Academy Technology BS, and Kensington Trust School. We want to hear from our contestants from Ahinima Kokobing MEGHS. Who do we have representing?
AJ Emmanuel. Isabella Joanna.
Thank you very much. And from Ultimate Academy Technology BS?
Thanks for the point, Ilimo.
Shematinjima Benjamin.
Thank you so much. And finally, from Kensington Trust School, we have
Kira Haley Amaku.
Thank you so much. Let's give them a round of applause. And so, contestants, you are to keep your microphones turned on throughout the duration of the contest. You have buzzers in front of you. We want to do a quick buzzer test. Let's hear the sound of the buzzer from Kensington Trust School. Thank you so much. Ahinima Kokobin MEGHS, the sound of your buzzer. And finally, Ultimate Academy Technology, the sound of your buzzer. Thank you. Now, there will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1 is the fundamentals. Round 2 is the fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3 is the science and technology challenge. Round 4 is decoding the clues. And I will be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. And so, without further ado, round 1, the fundamentals. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions will always be open to the other 2 schools to compete for by first ringing the buzzer. Failure to press the buzzer before answering a bonus question will nullify your answer, and so you score no point, even if your answer is right. Best wishes to all competing schools. Question number 1. This is a preamble to all schools. Please listen, I will read it only once. Identify the following human hormones. Ahinima Kokobing. During puberty, a queer's body begins to develop breasts and wider hips. Which hormone is responsible for these changes and which organ produces it?
Sex hormone.
That is not correct. Available as a bonus. And so the answer is estrogen. That's the hormone. And the production organ is the ovaries. Ultimate Academy Technology, your main question. During pregnancy, ACE's body maintains the thick lining of a uterus to support the developing baby. Which hormone helps maintain the pregnancy, and state which part of the body produces it? Available for a bonus? Again, the answer is the estrogen as the hormone, and then the production organ is firstly done by the ovaries and later by the placenta. Kensington Trust School. When Kwame has not eaten all day, his blood sugar level drops. Which hormone helps to raise his blood sugar back to normal, and state which organ is responsible for the production? Available as a bonus. And the hormone responsible is glucagon, being produced by the organ, the pancreas. The pancreas. Question number 2. You have 15 seconds to answer this one. This is a preamble to all schools. A paramagnetic species is a species that contains a lone pair of electrons in its valence shell. Using this definition, indicate whether the following are paramagnetic or not. Ultimate Academy. Ion 2+, which has 4 lone pairs of electrons in the d orbital.
They are.
I'll give you the mark. 3 marks. And so, contestants, you have to tell me that they are paramagnetic or they are not paramagnetic. Okay. Kensington Trust School. Ion 3+, which has 5 lone pairs of electrons in the d orbital.
They are paramagnetic.
That is correct for 3 points. Ahinema Kokobing MEGHS, zinc 2+, which has no lone pairs of electrons in the d orbital.
They are not paramagnetic.
Then that is correct for 3 points. Question 3. This is a preamble to all schools. You have to state the full meaning of the following ICT acronyms. Kensington Trust School, PHP. Available as a bonus. And it is the hypertext preprocessor. Ahinema Kokobing, API. Available as a bonus. And the correct answer is Application Programming Interface. Ultimate Academy Technology, SSL. Available as a bonus. And the answer is the Secure Sockets Layer. We'll take a very short break and return to you for question number 4. A very short break. Thank you. Thank you very much for staying with us. Question number 4. You have 40 seconds to answer this question. And again, this is a preamble to all schools. Please listen carefully. I'll read it only once. 3 resistors, 4 ohms, 6 ohms, and 12 ohms are connected as follows. The 4 ohms and 6 ohms resistors are in parallel, and this combination is connected in series with the 12 ohm resistor. The circuit is connected to a 24 volt battery. Ahinima Kokobing MAGHS. Calculate the equivalent resistance of the parallel combination.
Ohms.
That is not correct. You have one more attempt. Available as a bonus. And the correct answer is 2.4 ohms. Okay, Ultimate Academy. Calculate the total resistance of the circuit.
$22 ohms.
That is not correct. You have one more attempt.
13 ohms.
No, that is not correct. Available as a bonus. $14.4 ohms. Kensington Trust School. Find the total current drawn from the battery.
Three over 5.
That is not correct. You have one more attempt. Available as a bonus question. Ahinima Kokobing for a bonus.
10.6 volts.
That is not correct. Correct answer is 1.67 amps. Okay, question number 5. 40 seconds. A preamble. Please listen, a preamble to all schools. 2 parallel lines are cut by a transversal. One angle formed is 70 degrees. Ultimate Academy Technology. Find the corresponding angle.
$110.
That is not correct. You have one more attempt.
$105.
That is not correct. Available as a bonus. Kensington Trust for a bonus.
110 degrees.
That is not correct. The correct answer is 70 degrees. Kensington Trust, your main question. Find the alternate interior angle.
$110.
That is not correct. You have one more attempt.
70 degrees.
70 degrees is correct for 3 points. Ahinima Kokobing MA, find the co-interior angle.
$110.
And that is correct for 3 points. And to question number 6. This is a preamble to all schools. You are to state whether the following statements are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses, and you have only one attempt. Kensington Trust. Binary fission is a type of sexual reproduction in bacteria.
True.
That is not correct. It is false. Ahinima Kokobing MAJHS. Asexual reproduction produces more genetic variation than sexual reproduction.
False.
False is correct for 3 points. Ultimate Academy Technology. Pollination is a necessary step for fertilization in flowering plants.
True.
Correct for 3 points. Ahinima Kokobing MAJHS. Deforestation increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
True.
Correct for 3 points. Ultimate Academy Technology. Oceans act as a carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere.
Please repeat the question.
Oceans act as a carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere.
False.
That is wrong. The answer is true. And Kensington Trust School. Carbon is found in the atmosphere mainly as carbon dioxide.
True.
Correct for 3 points. And this will bring us to the end of round 1. We'd like to thank our sponsors, the MTN Stakeholders Management, the Ghana Great Company Limited, Nestle Ghana Good Food, Good Life, Dext Technologies, where practical science is now practical. We thank the College of Science, the College of Engineering, and then also to our media partners, Kesben TV. Not forgetting KNUST Institute of Distance Learning and the KNUST E-Learning Center. At the end of round 1, Ahinima Kokobing MAJHS, 12 points. Ultimate Academy, 6 points. Kensington Trust School, 9 points. We now progress to round 2, the fastest brain, fastest finger. One question will be read out in this round, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question will carry a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering the question before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from that question. After you have pressed the buzzer, contestants, you have 3 seconds to provide an answer. Each school will have a maximum of 1 attempt to answer a question. If a school gets a question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer. A wrong answer in this round will attract a penalty of 1 point. Best wishes to all schools. Let us do a quick buzzer test. Let's hear the sound of the buzzer from Ahinima Kokobing. Kensington Trust School. And finally, Ultimate Academy Technology. All right, thank you. So contestants, when you ring your buzzer, you wait for me to call you, then you speak or you answer. Question number 1. The planet Earth is located in a galaxy known as Ultimate Academy.
Milky Way.
Milky Way galaxy is correct for 4 points. Next question. The number of hydrogen atoms present in 2 molecules of water is Ultimate Academy.
4.
4 is correct for 4 points. To the next question. The shedding of leaves by plants during the dry season protects them against Ahinima Kokobing.
The sunlight.
That is not correct. Kensington Trust School.
Water loss.
That is correct for 4 points. To the next question. The default orientation for a word processing document is Ultimate Academy.
Portrait.
Correct for 4 points. Next question. A spinner is divided into 8 equal sections, numbered 1 to 8. What is the probability of spinning a number less than 5? Ultimate Academy.
1/2.
And that is correct for 4 points. To the next question. The area of a circle is 154 centimeters squared. Ultimate Academy.
7 centimeters.
That is not correct. Find the radius and circumference of the circle. Kensington Trust School.
The radius is equal to 7 centimeters, and the circumference
Go on. Go on, I'm listening. Okay, I think your time is up. I was listening to you, Haley. Okay, so that is it. So the radius is indeed 7 centimeters and the circumference is 44 centimeters. And this will bring us indeed to the end of round 2. At the end of round 2, Ahinima Kokobing, -1 point. Ultimate Academy Technology BS, 15 points. Kensington Trust, 3 points. At the end of the first 2 rounds of this contest, Ahinima Kokobing has 11 points. Ultimate Academy Technology has 21 points. And Kensington Trust School has 12 points. And so we go on to round 3, the Science and Technology Challenge. 1 question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 points. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by the Dext Science set. This is the preamble. You are a food technologist testing how well food color mixes in different liquids. You have two liquids, pure water and the sugar solution. Your goal is to test how each affects the solubility of crimson red food color. You are provided with crimson red food color, a cup of water, and a cup of sugar solution. So this is a task. Add a small amount of crimson red food color to the water and observe. Add the same amount of food color to the sugar solution and observe. Record what happens in both cases. There are 5 related questions. What did you observe when the color was added to the water? Question 2. What did you observe when the color was added to the sugar solution? Question 3. Explain your observation in questions 1 and 2 above. Question 4. What does this tell you about the solubility of substances in different solutions? And question 5. In what kind of solution is it easier to dissolve more solute, and why? Contestants, round 3 is for 10 minutes. You may start now. supposed to make some observations and draw some conclusions from which you will answer these questions. What did you observe when the color was added to the water? What did you observe when the color was added to the sugar solution? And then you explain your observation in 1 and 2. And then also you tell us what it tells you about the solubility of substances in different solutions. And then in what kind of solution is it easier to dissolve more solute and why? So in question 1, if you did the experiment correctly, then in water you will see that the color dissolved completely, forming a uniform red solution. In the sugar solution, the color partially dissolved with some floating and forming small clumps. In question 3, you see that sugar molecules reduce the free space for the color particles to spread, and so solubility decreases in the sugar solution as compared to the water. And then the ability of a substance to dissolve depends on the concentration of the solvent and the temperature. And then finally, we expected it to tell us for question 5 that pure water dissolves more because it has more available space and molecular movement. And so if you provided these answers, and then you score a perfect score. And so it turns out that at the end of round 3, Ahinema Kokobing MAGHS, you scored everything correct, 10 out of 10. Ultimate Academy Technology, you also scored everything correct, 10 out of 10. And then Kensington Trust School also scored everything correct, and so 10 out of 10. And so at the end of the first 3 rounds of this contest, Ahinema Kokobing, 21 points. Ultimate Academy, 31 points. Kensington Trust School, 22 points. Before we go to round 4, there are substitutions to be effected. For Ahinema Kokobing, Isabella, you are going out for Josephine. And then for Kensington Trust School, Gerard, you are stepping out for Winifred. Yes, let's give them a round of applause as they mount the podium. All right, so contestants, you are welcome to the contest. We go on to round 4, which is called Decoding the Clues. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points are awarded. If it's answered correctly on the second clue, 5 points are awarded. On the third, 4 points. On the fourth or any other indication, 3 points are awarded. Contestants, you have to press your buzzer before attempting to answer a question. Failing to press the buzzer before answering will disqualify you from that question, and you will score no points even if your answer is correct. Let us do a quick buzzer test. Let's hear the sound of the buzzer from Ahinema Kokobing MAGHS. Ultimate Academy Technology, and then Kensington Trust School. Thank you so much, contestants. I'll be using my hand gestures to show you which clue number I am reading. You see 1 finger up for clue number 1, 2 fingers up for clue number 3, 3 fingers up, 4 fingers up, 5 fingers up, in that order. Best wishes to all schools. To the first set of clues. In biology, I am studied as the simplest form of life on earth. Ultimate Academy.
Cell.
That is not correct. Though tiny, I carry out all functions of life within my single structure. I am a living thing made of only one cell, like bacteria and amoeba. Kensington Trust School.
Unicellular organism.
And that is correct for 4 points. To the second set of clues. All that know is to tell you the amount of physical quantity. Let me read that again. All that is to know is to tell you the amount of a physical quantity. Speed, mass, and temperature are my playmates. Unlike my sister, I have no direction in life. In physics, I am often compared with my vector counterpart. Who am I? Ahinima Kokobing Emi.
Underived quantity.
That is not correct. And the correct answer is a scalar quantity. A scalar quantity. To the third set of clues. I represent numbers in a way that is easy to read, especially big or small. Scientists use me to simplify calculations with huge values. I am written as x times 10 raised to the power n, where n shows how many times the decimal moves and x is a real number. Ultimate Academy.
Standard form.
And that is correct for 4 points. And to the very final set of clues. I am a 4-digit even number. My third and last digit is an even prime. But my first 2 digits are odd integers. My first number is the same as my second number, and my last number is the same as the third number. I have 10 factors, but only 2 prime factors. I am Ahinema Kokobing Emi.
3,320.
That is not correct. I have 10 factors, but only 2 prime factors. I am simply 22 years past a century ahead of a millennium. Ultimate Academy.
2212.
That is not correct. I have 10 factors, but only 2 prime factors. I am simply 22 years past a century ahead of a millennium. Who am I? Kensington Trust School.
3388.
That is not correct, and the correct answer is 1122. And this will bring us to the end of round 4. We'd like to appreciate the heads of the various schools competing in the contest. A big appreciation goes to the teachers who have spent time in preparing our students to compete in this contest, and also to you students for putting up a good performance to lift up the name of your schools. Not forgetting our jubilant supporters who are here to back us up and to push us forward. At the end of round 4, Ahinema Kokobing, you scored 0 points. Ultimate Academy, 4 points. Kensington Trust School, 4 points. What this translates to at the end of 4 rounds is that Ahinema Kokobing MEJHS, 21 points. Ultimate Academy Technology BS, 35 points. Kensington Trust School, 26 points. What it means is that Ultimate Academy Technology, you are champions for this afternoon's contest. A big congratulations to you. Let's give them a big round of applause. A big round of applause also to our runners-up, Ahinema Kokobing ME and Kensington Trust School. Let's give them a big round of applause for putting up a good fight. And so, Ultimate Academy Technology, congratulations to you. You have qualified automatically into the next round. We will see you there. And a big thank you to all our teachers and to all our students, and to everybody who has sponsored us to make this program possible and a success. Thank you so much, and have a good afternoon.